Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about the world bucket list add yours Instagram story, which is the viral add yours story these days. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. The first thing you're gonna do is we're going to open the Google Play Store app and we're gonna search for Instagram. Now once you've searched for Instagram, click on the icon. And from here, make sure that you don't have any pending updates and that you are using the latest version of Instagram on your device. Now, the next thing you're gonna do is click on open. And now that our Instagram app is opened, click on the search button found on the lower left corner of the screen. And then from here, at the top, you can see the search bar. Just click on that and search for add your sticks. Make sure that you're searching for this specific account, and then once you have seen it, just click on this. And from here, what we're gonna do is head on over to add your sticks highlights, which can be found above the posts and reels section. Among these highlights, click on Jan 2024 P2. Now the next thing we're gonna do is we are going to tap the right side of the screen until we see the story sticker that we are looking for, which is the world bucket list sticker. Just keep on tapping the right side of the screen since there are multiple stickers. And there we can see the world bucket list. Tick the places you've been to add your sticker. Now that we've found the add your sticker that we are looking for, what we're gonna do next is click on add yours. Now to add this sticker to your story, you can either simply click on the shutter button to add the background from your camera. You can also choose from your gallery photos to use as background for this story. Now just tick the places you've been to. Just tap on a couple of places and then click on done. And you can now add this to your story by clicking on the Your Story option on the lower left corner of the screen. Let's check if it's been added. And there you can see it's been added to your story. And that is the world bucket list add yours Instagram story. Thank you so much for watching until the end. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel so you can tune in to the next one.